Hey, this is Ram. Today I'm entering an DB slab, basically a pharma stock. Yes, the order got placed, and today basically Nifty 50 is trading flat and not having a major movement. So I was searching for the stocks till now. It is around 11 o'clock now. So let us wait and see how the movement will be, because slowly Nifty is in the downward direction. It's falling slightly now. Anyway, I am long in the position. So by seeing the 5-minute candlestick chart, yes, this particular stock is quite bullish. So let us see how the stocks move. Here we have a major hurdle because it is not breaking out properly, and if it is not breaking out, then I need to end up with the loss only. So I think I need to close it out now, because it is like a potential reversal. Yes, I closed actually in the loss basically. So once again I entered in DV slab. Before to it I traded in Naukri, but unfortunately I didn't recorded it. I will discuss it later in this video. I will review it in the end of the trading session. Now let us see the chart. Yes, because DV slab gone slightly in a negative territory, but actually it is a false breakout, and yes, as per my initial analysis, yes, it is going very well now. So I entered in this same stock again. So yes, I think here I need to come out from my position. At least I will be not in loss today, because my loss was around 1,000 rupees after I came out from Naukri. Basically it is a second trade, and third trade again I took this stock. Yes, so somehow it is very minimum now. Yes, around 78 rupees only is the loss today for me, from 1000 to 78. Okay. Actually, I entered in a Divi's Lab. It's basically a pharma stock, and actually I was searching for a number of scripts, actually many scripts, because today initially Nifty 50 was not having a major movement, and even many of the stocks, whatever the stock I was just checking it, I am not satisfied with those stock. So I was waiting for the entry, and at around 11 o'clock I entered in Divi's Lab. Basically I bought the stock, 15 number of quantity. Actually what happened is that the entry price was 2,184 rupees, and actually I was long in the stock, but actually I thought that the stock may get reversal, and I exited at 2,175 rupees, basically in loss. Actually that was the first trade I took. Let me tell you initially why I had selected the stock particularly. So Nifty 50, as you can see here, this was not having a major movement in the open from the opening, actually for quite some time, at around even 10 or even 10:40 till 10:40 it was not at all having any movement. But actually this at around 11 o'clock, yes, it showed some sign of that the market is on the selling side. But then also I entered in Divi's Lab, and around like I bought the stock basically instead of selling any stock. I was long in this stock, because even though the market was moving on the downside, this particular stock didn't move on the downward direction at all, as you can see here around 11 o'clock. See, this was basically I entered, yes, in this particular candle. So here you see here 11 o'clock, actually this is showing in the downward direction, and as this is breaking out this line, as I thought this is the support line, and it had broken this line, but still it is not at all coming down at all, right? So I thought this stock anyway it will be bullish only. And even pharma also, if you see Nifty Pharma at around 11 o'clock, yeah, this is also not having any major movement. So you can see from the opening it was slightly bullish for quite some time, and after that it gone in small range bound, and slowly it came down, but not having any major movement at all. So I thought this stock can move a bit in the upward direction. But what happened is that at around 11:18, yes, in this candle particularly, actually, if you can see, yes, here actually 11:18, if you can see here, this was vigorously moving. The entire market is coming down, but this candle also showing some sign of coming down, and this is breaking this particular candles, as I can show in this trading view chart also, so that it will be very clear to see. Divi's Lab, yes, I entered in this particular candle 11 o'clock, then exited at this candle. Immediately I came out, and I was not holding for a long time, because I thought that this is going to have a reversal, or not like a reversal, like it may go along with the Nifty major index, right? Because here you see, if you can see this line, this is acting like a resistant. Initially my view was like this line got this point was a resistant line. Since entered this line, I had entered in this point and I thought it will move ahead, but again it formed a red candle, then again a small green, then again it was breaking this level. So I thought it is not having a potential to move on the upward side. So this is like a double top. Usually analysts used to say that this is kind of a double top. So I thought this is a double top pattern, so that this may come down. That is what I was having in my mind. So I quit the trade at around this point 2175 was the actually exit price. Here somewhere around here I had exited, but later on what happened, as my initial analysis, this gone quite well actually in the upward direction, as you can see here. Let me draw a line also. If you can see here, it had acted very well in the upward side. You see, this is like a trend line now, and here it got a support. Here this location, here also it got a support, and it had touched up to 2206 rupees. If I would have not closed the position, I would have got a very well like I would have got 1% comfortably. Usually I used to have 1% as a target, so it is more than 1% now for me. But due to the panic by seeing Nifty 50 and Nifty Pharma index, I thought this is going to have a small reversal, so I exited the stock, exited from my trade. So later on what happened is that it gone well, and then I took a small this thing. I was short then again seeing this Nifty 50. Then I took Naukri because Nifty IT, see here, Nifty IT is also going down after it got a good upward direction movement. It is very well moving on the downward side, as you can see here. See here actually at around immediately I took this position. Actually in a minute only I got, because at 11:18 I exited the position, and 11:19 I entered in Naukri, and I was short in this particular stock, since it may go down. That is what my thought actually. So what happened is that this is 119. Yes, this particular stock, particular candle I entered. So later on, thank God I was not holding for a long time, since I come to know that this is not going to move in the downward direction. Even though Nifty IT is moving very well, see till 9:35 it had moved like anything. Like you can see, it was a good movement from 9 here I had entered. So it was having a small movement, but anyway this particular stock was not having quite a good movement, so I exited the position. So again what happened is that I took Davis Lab once again. I was long in that particular stock. So the reason being is that as I analyzed, this stock was doing good again actually when I was seeing the chart, and I basically entered at 2187 at around 11:27 was the time. So 11:27, yes, in this particular candle. Let me tell you why I had again I was in with the stock. So because, as I said, this had already broken the double top. As you can see, this candle, it is very well breaking the double top, and it ended here. This particular candle ended here at 2188. Later on I entered here in this particular candle, because when I entered in this candle, it was moving very well. actually, but here finally it end up with the red only. But anyway, it was trying to go upward. So I entered here at 287. Here somewhere around here I had entered. When it was moving upward, I had entered, and then slowly it had moved down only. But yes, as I predicted, yes, it was not allowing to move down actually, because traders, considerable traders were trading in this particular stock. So yes, it got picked up, and from here it gone up. Yes, as you can see here. So as you can see, this is the breakout line as per my this analysis, and this is following this trend line. As you can see, this particular line, this is very well following this line. So even you can see this particular candle, it was not at all breaking this particular trend line. When it came here, I thought of I got a small panic. I even thought of closing this, but no, it gone up. It's a small pullback. Then again it got picked up, and here somewhere around 2205 was my exit price here. So anyway, I didn't get a big loss today, because initially my loss was around 1200 when I was just took this position. So it gone up to 1300, then it came back slowly. Like finally I end up with 78 rupees of loss. So it is quite very small comparatively. So anyway, we need to be very disciplined in our trade. That is what I need to learn from today's trade. I usually follow discipline in any of the trade, because my stop loss was initially 2168 when I entered here. When I entered in this particular candlestick, my stop loss was 2168 rupees, which is somewhere in this point of location. You can see here the price did not come to this point at all. If I would have firm with that discipline, I would have got a very good profit. As per my target, I would have got a profit today. But unfortunately, due to panic, I closed the position and I made with the loss. And again, in a hurry I took Naukri. Since the market is falling, I thought that will also have a downward movement. Then immediately I closed the position. Then I entered in the same stock. So it is a kind of a over trade. Actually, I should have avoided that over trade today. Usually I don't do over trade also. Even if I get a loss in first trade, most probably I will do a trade, one more trade I will take. But today the third trade, even I feel a bit bad. Actually, I don't want to do it. Anyway, since I don't want to close this day with the loss, around 900 was the loss when I came out from Naukri position, 987 or something. So I don't want to close it in that way. So anyway, I took one more trade, and yes, somehow the loss was very less, actually, considerably very less. So okay, this is a lesson learned. Yeah, thank you. That's all for the day. Thanks.